I'm giving a call. Seeing about getting a new appointment. Canceled my appointment last night for today. It's supposed to be at 1 o'clock. I'm trying going, but they canceled. Yes, hello. This is Howard and Howard Jones, and you guys had to cancel my appointment today because Amy wasn't going to be in, or Leslie wasn't going to be in, and so I need to see if I can get an appointment. Yes, please. As soon as possible if I could, because this deals with my medication and I need to keep that going. 7/15/70? Yes. Okay. Well, she said she's going to look see what next availability is, put me on hold. We'll see what happens. I've never been put on hold to find out her availability, so maybe I'm being transferred to somebody else. Gotta quit shaking the table. Oh, what lovely fun. I hope they can do this. I do apologize for this wait. I'll probably just edit this out because this is on hold. So we'll see what happens. They may not want me to come back at all. Back's really hurting, but I'm doing okay. I'm not all stressed out. I just feel a little weird. Just because I'm stressed about money. And I shouldn't be, but money's everything. You don't have it, you don't get it. You don't do nothing. And I'm tired of listening to the doctors tell me I can't work. Dr. Glassman said I could work, but yet there's nothing I could do. So if there's nothing I could do, how can I work? June 30th? Okay. 10:15 will work. 7/15/70. All right, thank you. Bye. June 30th at 10:15. Told I need to keep my medications going. They don't care. They put me a month out. And normally it's only just a couple weeks, and they put me almost a month out. So yeah, they are intentionally messing with me. I don't appreciate it. I have initially treated them with the utmost respect and courtesy and made sure I had my medication and did what I needed to do to talk to them. And when they continue to lie to me and go around and around and around, I guarantee if it was any of you and somebody kept telling you it's somebody else, it's somebody else, it's somebody else, you'd get irritated and want to do something about it too. Unfortunately, some of you take a gun to it. That's wrong. You don't use a gun. You don't kill people. That's the wrong thing to do. I want to see them pay for their crimes. I'm tired of watching these people rip people off, and then I'm told, oh, well, I can't have nothing because I got to pay taxes for you. Well, you wouldn't be paying taxes for me if you just do my medications right just for 6 months so I can get a job and start making money, but they don't understand that here. They just keep blowing me off further and further out. I am going to refile for my medications because the 15th of this month I will be out of my pain medication, and I will be out of my hydroxyzine, which will be cutting me off cold turkey again. The 10th, I'm going to put in my request, and I'm going to call every day and find out what's going on, and to prove that the way I talked to them before and the way I talked to them lately is two different people, and the reason why is because I'm tired of being lied to and their medications. I am monitoring my medication and having to suffer some days and take no medication to make sure I have medications like today to help me keep normal. Well, as much normal as I can be since Glassman fried my brain. But that's a different story. But this is ridiculous. I mean, yeah, it's not much for the medication, but the thing is I should have been fixed years ago by Liberty Northwest. And Dr. Glassman just kept putting me on methadone. I say meth because it is a pharmaceutical drug for taking people on meth, the street drug, and to wean them off of that street drug so they are no longer doing meth. But they found out it works really good for pain. Yeah, and it fries your brain too. I've got brain damage, but I can't prove it because nobody listens. And I didn't have access to video before to show how I really was, but I am really bad now. But I can't understand why I get put off all the time. This is ridiculous. A few simple things get me going. I've informed them that they are abusing me, and as you can see, they continue. Because it used to be 10, 15 days out at the very most. Now it's 27? Yeah, that's 3 weeks plus. So, yeah, I'm just being pushed out 4 weeks, actually. So I'm just being pushed out just like they do to the vets. They put you on a bad list because they don't like the way I yelled at them. Well, that wasn't me. That was me being cut cold turkey off my anxiety and pain medication. That's all I've been trying to do for the last 6 months is get my medication straightened out, and nobody wants to do that. Nobody can help me get a few steps to get something done. It's called a triangle. I need medication to work so I can make the money to pay for the medication. But I can't get the medication unless I have the money, and I can't get the money unless I work. Well, there is another one. Steal it, but I'm not a thief. And I'm tired of being forced to have to be headed towards that direction of being a thief. I just can't understand this. I want to work. I've been telling these people I want to work, but they can't even get my medication straight. Supposedly Bog says there's nerve damage, and it's my left leg. That was never found out before. So what's going on with me? And they won't see me at the clinic, so I'm being stuck in limbo again, and it'll be 6 weeks before I hear anything about my tests. And I'm not crazy. I just want to work. I want to pay for my way. I want to do my own thing. I want to be able to go and have fun. But I can't have fun when my motorhome is falling apart. I can't pay for the tags. The tires are so worn out it can't drive, hardly. I can't do nothing. And I'm fed up. I'm to the point to where, move into the woods, become a hermit? I don't want to do that. I'd like to work, but I don't know what to do. But all I got to say is people, don't hurt others. There is help out there. You just got to find it. And that's what I'm doing. I'm hoping someday I'll find help. Maybe somebody out there eventually will listen and actually think and care. I told one of my friends I'm surprised the way this country is, and it seems like nobody really seems to care. I hear a lot about it, yeah, and there is a lot of people that do deserve help out there. But I'm not asking for thousands and millions of dollars. I'm just hoping for a little bit of medications to make me 100 continuously stable. And if I could be on the medication regularly, I would be stable. But I had to take my take the dose I'm supposed to take today because I had to talk to him anyway, even though I didn't have my appointment. If I had my proper medication levels, I would be okay. But I can't get my proper medication levels with what they give me. I have to skip some days, take it other days, and take it to the days I need it. So it's suffering. And I know if it was you or anybody else, you wouldn't put up with it either. Especially when I've been dealing with this injury since '05. And come to find out, not only that I have one herniated disc from workman's comp, but there's actually 3 discs that Dr. Glassman wouldn't diagnose properly. And so I only got treatment for 1, but the other 2 is also messing. And it's just this big whole mess. And I really don't care about that. I just need to get my life going and get it started. Doctors around here don't know what they're talking about because they've told me for years that I'm disabled and I need to file for Social Security. But yet the government insists that I can work because I am 43 years old, almost 44. So since I am that age, I can work. So I need to work. But I can't get the medications for me to function physically and mentally properly. And if I could have the pain medication to assist with everything else, I would only need 2 to 3 anxiety pills a day. But without the pain medication, I need 6 to 8 anxiety pills a day. And that's wrong. Help me get rid of the pain. Help me fix the problem. And I won't be on so much medication. I'm doing as much as I can. I'm stretching. I'm exercising. But I'm trying to stay active as much as I can. But if I don't take my medication, I'm down and doing nothing. They don't listen. They don't want to hear it. So I'm just trying to do my best. Thank you. I don't like rambling on, but it just seems like, I don't know. I just need to get it off my chest, and it's driving me nuts because I just don't understand why we're such a great country, and yet we can't even help ourselves. I want to help others. I want to be in a position to help others. But if I can't do for myself, how can I help others? Just like if this country can't help our own people, how can we do for others? If we can feed $1 billion to a country, why can't we do a little more for our own people and help them get started? This is crazy. But I also post on Facebook, so kind of look me up if you can. Every so often I put one out there. I seem a little crazy off and on, but that's just because of me without my medications or something. As long as I have my medications or monitor it and use it at the bare minimum just to stay away from the migraines and the severe chronic pain, I do okay. I still have outbursts, but that's because I on the medication continuously. Thanks. Bye.